Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can link your Notion calendar to Google Calendar or vice versa. So first is you have to log into your Google Calendar, and on the other tab, I also have here my Notion account. Okay, so after that, you just have to open your Google Calendar, and then here you just have to select the calendar that you want to connect or integrate with Notion. So for example, this one, so just tap on the three dots and tap on the settings. Okay, so right here, you just have to scroll down. All right, so let me just find another calendar that we can share. Okay, so for example, this one. So tap on the three dots and tap on the settings and sharing. And then I just have to scroll down all the way here and look for the public URL to this calendar. So simply copy this one and then open your Notion and then you just have to select your page. So for example, we have this page right here and then we are going to add another block. Okay, so let me just delete this one. Okay, so after that, you just have to type out this one for command and then just have to type out embed. All right, so this one, and then I just have to paste here the link from Google Calendar and tap on the embed link. And after that, you'll be able to see here now your calendar. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.